Next is problem number 11, and we need to draw a Pareto chart for this data. So first thing to do is to arrange this table in descending order of frequency. So we have complaint and frequency. First one is 80, so food taste. Second one is 47, so table, utensil, dirty. Okay, so that's done. So next is 16, slow service. Okay, then food temperature. Okay, so that's 9, and then too expensive is 4, and finally order mistake is 2. Okay. Now next step is to find relative frequency. And you add this up, so that's this sum of the frequencies, and divide it into each of them. So you get 0.506, 47 over 158 is 0.297, 16 over 158, 0.101, 9 over 158 is 0.057, 4 over 158 is 0.025, 2 over 158 is 0.013, and that should add up to 1. Okay. Now we'll do cumulative relative frequency, and let's go ahead and express this as percentage. Okay, so the first one is 50.6%. Now you add, so this is 29.7%, so add 29.7% to this, you get 80.4%, and this is 10.1%, you add that, 90.5%, and this is 5.7%, you add that, 96.2%, and then you add this, you get 98.7%, and then 1.3%, if you add that, you get 100%. So now we have to plot two things. We have to plot. We have to plot the frequency, and we have to plot the cumulative relative frequency. So let's first set up the scale. Okay, if you have a ruler, that would be the best. So let's say that this is okay. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So it goes up to 80. And then on this side we want 100%. So 10%, 20%, 30%, 40%, 50%, 60%, 70%, 80%, 90%, 100%. So both the height of these two y-axes should be approximately about the same. If this is like the height of one side is like this and the height the other side is that big, then the graph will not look nice. So this side is frequency and this side is cumulative relative frequency. So this side is that, that side is that. Okay, so we start with, let's to make it easy, let's just give codes here A, B, C, D, E and F. So first one is A, that goes up to ED. So that's A. Next one is 47, so that will be approximately about there. Then next one is 16, so that will be about there. Okay, then 9 would be about there. And 4 and 2, 4 and 2 would be pretty small like that. Okay, next let's draw the cumulative frequencies. The first one is 50.6, so it'll be about there. B is 80.4, so it'll be 80.4 about there. And then 90.5, 96, next one is 96.2, and then 98, and then so this is the Pareto diagram, and we want to find 80%. Okay, 80% of problems must be, so to cover 80%, that means at least 80%. So we have to cross 80%, and here we are crossing 80% with just A and B. So to cover 80% of complaints, okay, food taste, and table, utensil, dirty, must be addressed. first.